All right, we are here at Restoration One. We just finished up with a CE training, and Jill's going to give us a little testimony of what she learned, and coming from more of the perspective of a realtor in the industry.
Hi, I'm Jill. I am a realtor in Colorado Springs here at Restoration One's Flood House, where I got to do some of the best CE credits I've ever had to do. We got to come in and I got to flood the house, and then we saw how Restoration One takes care of all of that and learned how our clients can make the most of a bad situation by partnering with an excellent company who takes care of everything from top to bottom and bottom to top.
I think the other thing you commented quite a bit on was how much we were able to save as far as drying instead of having to demo everything.
Exactly, saving time, saving money for our clients and not displacing them. That's a beautiful thing, and even better on the insurance end as well.
And then also you get a lot of hands on here. So Jill's even going to ride our writing extractor. I mean, she is just...
I am so gonna ride the extractor.
Is it on forward?
I don't know. Is it on forward? Yes. Yes. Now what do I do?
Okay. Just pull that handle right there on the left hand.
Oh.
And this is just stuff you can't get online, right?
I love this CE credit. It's the best. I love Restoration One.
Thank you, Jill.